Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we'll be learning how to join two sides of beads together using sugar beads, fish line and cutter. So I already made two sides of beads, equal side, each is 10 sides, and I'll be showing you how to join it together. As I always said, make sure your work is tight. Actually, you can use this method for any type of bead, either beans bead, pearl, any type of bead. So I'm using sugar bead because it is the excess bead I have, so I'll be using it as a tutorial. So each side is 10. It can be equal side. It depends on the type of bag or the style of bag you want to make. So it might be equal side, it might be round shape, it might be any type of shape, but I'll be using this rectangle shape as my tutorial today. So I have my fish line here, and the first step is going through the right side of the bead, just one side, pick one, as you can see here. Then on the left side of the fish line, I'll be dropping one bead at the left side of the fish line, just one this time around. Then with the same fish line I dropped the bead, I'll be going through the left side of the other bead, left side of the other bead, then cross with one bead. Make sure the fish line are equal side to avoid one side excess than the other, and make sure your work is tight. So here is our first join. Then we go through the right fish line with the right bead and left bead with the left fish line, the right to the right, the left to the left, and cross with one bead. This is the step we are going to repeat all through. Right fish line to the right bead, left fish line to the left bead, and cross with one. If it is a circle shaped bead, this is the exact step we are going to use also. I think, as far as I know, this is the only step used in joining two bead together, two sides of bead together. So if it is the circle shape or rectangle shape, you just have to pass through one each side, then cross with other, then pass right to the right, left to the left, and make sure your work is tight. As you can see, it is well joined. It is mostly likely as if we did not join it at all, as if we weaved the 5 lane of bead together. Make sure your work is tight. Make sure you don't have tangled fish line to avoid loose bead, and make sure your work is neat. The steps is kind of easy, so I won't be doing any off camera. All we have to do is pass through the right, pass through the left, and cross with the with one fish line. Make sure you are not confused by passing the left to the right or passing the right to the left. Make sure your work is neat. Pass the left to the left, pass the right to the right. So when you get to the final sides of the bead, the last side, just pass it as usual. Pass the right to the right and pass the left to the left. You might want to cross the bead or want to tie a knot, but I'll be tying a knot here. Just pass like this. You want to just cross it, then pass your excess fish line through the bead to avoid losing. Just pass it through. Please do make sure your work is very tight. Make sure your work is tight. It is very important in bead making. And in case they might the fish line might kind of tangle with the bead, even though there is no knot, it might kind of tangle. Make sure you remove it and make sure your work is tight, because it might later lose and spoil the work. So after passing my fish line around a little, I still prefer tying a knot to avoid any regrets like losing on later on. Then tie your knot very well as well. Tie it very well, then retie again. As you can see, my work is very strong and tight. There is no sign of losing or weak beading at all. It is very strong. There is no sign of even joining. It is neat. Make sure your work is neat also. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other video, or you have a video request you want me to make a tutorial about, just drop a comment and I will make sure I respond to it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on post notification to get notified when I drop a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching and God bless you.